The Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G, released in March 2025, offers a compelling blend of features that cater to both photography enthusiasts and general users. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro showcases a sophisticated design and robust build quality, positioning it as a standout device in its segment. Its sleek and modern aesthetic is highlighted by a glacier white finish, inspired by the serene imagery of floating ice in spring ice caves, imparting a premium and refreshing look. The front is dominated by a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and an immersive viewing experience. The ultra-clear full screen boasts a 94% screen-to-body ratio, complemented by extremely narrow left and right bezels, enhancing the device's modern appeal. Constructed with durability in mind, the Camon 40 Pro is equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, providing robust protection against scratches and minor impacts. Measuring 165 by 75 by 7 mm, it offers a slim profile that is both comfortable to hold and easy to handle. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2436 pixel resolution, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. Its 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an enhanced gaming experience. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, offering durability against scratches and minor impacts. With a 90.0% screen-to-body ratio, the device provides an immersive viewing experience, making it well-suited for media consumption and daily use. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, fabricated using a 6nm process. This octa-core processor comprises two high-performance Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 energy-efficient Cortex-A55 cores running at 2.0 GHz, delivering a balanced performance suitable for daily tasks and moderate multitasking. The Mali G57MC2 GPU supports casual gaming and multimedia consumption, though it may face limitations with graphically intensive games at higher settings. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro features a dual rear camera system, highlighted by a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, delivering high-quality images with accurate exposure and natural color reproduction. The device includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens, providing versatility for capturing expansive scenes, though it may exhibit some limitations in detail retention compared to the main sensor. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro features an 50MP front-facing camera that delivers satisfactory performance for selfies and video calls. In well-lit conditions, the camera captures clear images with accurate skin tones. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro offers a single configuration of 8GB RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage, providing users with ample space for apps, media, and files. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro is equipped with a 5200 mAh battery, providing users with extended usage times suitable for daily activities and moderate to heavy use. This substantial battery capacity ensures that the device can comfortably last through a full day on a single charge. The Camon 40 Pro supports 45W wired charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery when needed. This combination of a large battery and fast charging capability enhances the device's practicality for users who require reliable performance throughout the day. Pros: large 5200 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. High refresh rate AMOLED display. Powerful chipset for smooth performance. Impressive camera system with AI features. Cons: no official IP rating for water resistance. No wireless charging. Bloatware in the software. Conclusion: the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G stands out in its segment, particularly for its camera capabilities and display quality. While the lack of expandable storage and wireless charging may deter some users, its overall performance and feature set present a strong value proposition in the mid-range smartphone market.